Are you looking for a smartwatch that balances performance, premium design, and health tracking? The Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro delivers advanced fitness monitoring and smart health insights to keep you in control every day. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the Watch GT 6 Pro's key features and how it performs in real-world use. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro. Charging cradle, including the charging cable. And quick start guide. Want to grab the Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro for Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Key features. The 1.47-inch AMOLED display boasts a 5.5% larger screen area for greater immersion. The brightness ramps up by 1.5 times at up to 3,000 nits, ensuring easy legibility even under sunlight outdoors. The use of premium sapphire crystal provides clear transparency and strong durability. Fortified by the aerospace-grade titanium alloy case, the lightweight timepiece is tough enough to take on daily challenges. All-around triple protection to suit an active lifestyle. The watch integrates a hard metal coating, a key component coating, and a robust waterproof design, delivering scratch protection, sweat anti-corrosion, and IP69 and 5 ATM water resistance all in one. Signature strong endurance with up to 21 days battery life. With the innovative adoption of a high silicon battery, the energy density surges by 37%. Go all out on your adventure on one charge. Bring your exciting riding footage or adorable family shots closer on your wrist so you can raise your hand and relive your favorite moments anytime. Bring your exciting riding footage or adorable family shots closer on your wrist so you can raise your hand and relive your favorite moments anytime. The all-new Huawei TrueSense system has been transformed to become more accurate, comprehensive, and faster. It delivers insights into your emotions, sleep patterns, and more, attending to your well-being at a whole new level. Get a holistic wellness overview and customized advice encompassing your sleep quality, workout intensity, emotional states, and more. Specifications. How to charge. Place the Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro on its wireless charging dock, ensuring the back is aligned correctly, and connect the dock to a power adapter. The watch will automatically start charging once the icon appears on the screen. How to pair. Download the Huawei Health app from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, then install it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Locate the side buttons on your Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro and press and hold the power button until the Huawei logo appears. Once the watch powers on, allow it a few moments to complete the startup process before continuing with the setup. Open the Huawei Health app on your smartphone and tap Add Device. When the Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro appears, tap to connect and confirm the pairing code shown on both devices. Agree to the required terms, then wait while the watch syncs and completes the setup process. After pairing, select your wrist preference and button orientation in the Huawei Health app. Review and customize features such as activity tracking, sleep monitoring, and heart rate guidance. You can also adjust snore detection, backups, and fall detection later in the app. Safety precautions. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro. See you in the next one.